So, I actually think this almond milk trend is fine, despite what we're reading in the press. But there's a big DIY trend taking social media by storm. I don't know if you've seen this. How many of you make your own almond milk? A couple people. Oh, you're an almond milk maker? Oh, yeah, 3 or 4 people. Not many, but I've got someone who's representative of this big onslaught. Saida's here, and she makes her own almond milk. Welcome to the show, Saida.
Hey, Dr. Oz.
So, I saw 3 people put their hands up in the entire audience, so most people haven't gotten to this yet.
Right.
What stimulated you to make your own almond milk?
Well, I'm a personal trainer. My husband trains, and it just got too expensive. It was just really expensive to keep paying $3 and $4 for a quart, a half gallon of almond milk. So I tried it, I loved it, and now I share it with my clients.
All right, so it's, I didn't know it was cheaper. We're going to get to that.
Yeah,
it is, huh?
Absolutely. That's why I did it.
All right. I'm going to look up the prices while we're doing this. So show me how to make it.
Awesome. Okay, so we have to soak almonds first. What I recommend is soaking almonds for at least 12 to 24 hours.
So this is a soaked almond, right?
Right.
You soak your nuts. So
I can't answer that, Dr.
So to speak. All right. So look at this. There's a soaked almond. And there's the dry almond. Can you see that difference? See how he gets? It's pregnant looking. This.
Well, it also, you know, you want to soak them so it doesn't destroy the blades in your blender.
Yeah. Well, I actually like the taste anyway. I soak my almonds normally.
Really?
Yeah. So I think it's a pretty wise thing to do. So 8 to 10 hours, you said, roughly.
Yeah.
Overnight.
No, I would say overnight. Like I put them in at 10 o'clock at night. Just put them in some water in a glass bowl, and then in the morning they're ready to make with my protein shakes.
Yeah. You'll notice, by the way, it'll suck up that water.
Yeah,
so you have to put more water than almonds in whatever container you're using, or else you're going to end up with just dry almonds. Okay.
I would recommend if you put maybe a cup or a cup and a half of almonds, just double that in water.
Okay, good rule of thumb. So add this in.
Yep, dump them all in just the way it is.
All right, so we're ready to go.
I don't know, I don't want to push it. You push, it's your show, you can push it.
Yeah, but I don't want to get my scrubs dirty, you push it.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
So you want to let this mix for at least 45 seconds.
We'll do TV time. All right, now we're out of here.
Okay, cool.
Now can I pour it?
Yeah, now you can pour it, Dr. Oz.
Thankfully. So I poured the whole thing in here.
The whole thing. It's going to come right through the strainer. You can put that in a cup, and it should sit in your fridge. I would say no more than...
You taste it.
Oh, Dr. Oz, don't do that.
Okay.
It's TV.
You won't catch me, all right.
And you can leave it in your fridge for about, I would say like 3 days the most, and it tastes really good.
Okay, so let's go through these numbers.
Yes.
I promised the audience that the store-bought versions of almond milk, which again, only 2% almonds, are about 30 calories roughly.
Right.
The homemade version has more calories.
Yes, it does.
It's about 160 calories.
It does.
The store-bought version, you pointed out, was close to $4. It's actually $3.69. We averaged it out.
Oh, you did already.
Yeah.
So you guys are good.
Yeah, sorry. I work hard at this show.
You guys are good.
The homemade version, and you're right, it's actually $1.40.
Oh, can we get a round of applause for that one? Can we toast?
I toast you, Saida. I love that. God bless you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Dr.
All right, now, we're going to put all the cool uses for this almond meal, because I got almond meal. See that stuff left over? We're going to put it on DrOz.com. When we come back, the guide to nut milks, everything you need to know about the 3 newest nut milks. Which works best for weight loss? Which ones are better for energy? You'll want to know this stuff. Stay here.